Hey guys, welcome to the most powerful all-in-one WordPress marketing theme on this planet, the Moto Theme 4.0. I will guide you how you can get access to the members area where you can download this theme and the demos, and how you can create a beautiful WordPress theme which can convert your leads to the buyers, and you can earn a lot of money by converting the free traffic. So let's move into the members area. So once you buy the Moto Theme 4.0 from any of the sales pages we have, you will get an email with from the support@motothemes.co with the subject called account created Moto Theme v4. This is an email which I have got after purchasing it. It's my name and here's are the login details. Let me go that. Okay, now this is my email. Let me copy it. Okay, I'm already logged in. Let me log out from here, and here's the password. Okay, sign in. So once I'm into the members area, I can see all these product over here. The Moto Theme 4.0 single site, developer license pro, engagement suite, Moto Studio yearly, and everything I got over here. So let's start with the single site license or the developer site license. I go with the developer site license for now. I'm going to download my main Moto Theme 4.0 from here. If I click on here, it start downloading to my desktop. Let me save it to the desktop and this folder. Okay, here I go. It's done. Now let's move to my WordPress site. This is my WordPress site. I already logged in into my WordPress site. Let me install the theme over here. I click on the themes, add new, I click on upload theme, and here's an option to upload. I just drag this one here, install. So it will just take a couple of seconds to install the WordPress theme, and you can see the page where you can activate the theme further. Okay, after uploading the theme, you can see here's a page where I landed up. There's an option to activate the Moto Theme v4. I click on activate, and my theme will get activated over here. Now there is an authentication process we have just added for 4.0 version. You need to enter a key, and this key you can get from the members area. Here is my key. Let me copy it and paste over here. Click save changes, and if it's valid you will see this message. Now here's a step like what exactly you need to do next. So I am going to click here, and it will take me to a page where all the list of the plugins are listed, which are important to make Moto Theme v4 work. So depending on your requirement, like if you want to have a e-commerce store, then you need to choose the WooCommerce plugins for them as well. And if you don't want to have a e-commerce for now, you can go with the all others plugin except the WooCommerce. So I'm just unchecking WooCommerce plugin for now and click on install, apply. So basically what I'm trying to do, I'm installing all the supporting plugins with the theme, which will make my theme to work. And now I can see all these are installed. Okay, return to the required plugins installer page. Now going back with the same process, unchecking WooCommerce. Now I'll activate these all plugins. So it's done. Now what exactly I need to do here is I need to import the plugin, the demo plugin. It's not necessary to import a demo, but if you want to have a look and feel exactly the same you have seen over the sales pages, so you need to import a demo plugin. So let me click on add new over here. Okay, now let's go to the member area to find my demo importer plugin. So when I land up on my members area again, you can see the link where we have downloaded the main WordPress theme like Moto Theme v4.0. So similarly we have an option to download the demo importer plugin. You can click over here, or here's a link over here too. You can click over here. So when you click on either of the link, you will get landed up on this page where you can see all the 150 demos for the front end. And similarly we have another button where you can access all the other 150 demos for the pro version of mototheme. So we have an option to search the theme as well. If you have, something, some name you want to search, like I go with the bar kind of stuff, so I got sushi bar, barber shop, beer bar. But as you know, I haven't installed WooCommerce plugin into my WordPress theme, so I'm not going with any shop kind of demos for now. So let's start with the fitness one. You can click on view as well to open, to see how it looks, and you can click on the download to download this plugin. Let me download it. Okay, here it is. Now I need to upload it to my plugins area. Click on the upload plugin and just drag here, install. Okay, so now this plugin is getting installed. Let me activate it. Now the plugin is being installed into the my WordPress site, but I need to import the demos of that particular fitness template which I have imported just now. So just wait for a couple of seconds. My internet speed is a bit slow over here. So let me. I click on the import demo for now, and yep, okay, it's starting 0%. So as you can see now, my demo is imported successfully. I'm going to click on my site now. Let's see what exactly we got over here. Now it's been loading. Okay, it's loading. I can see my logo, demos, and perfect. I can see my website ready. I just need to change the content over here, few things, and it's ready to go live. So this is how you can have your own WordPress theme with just few clicks. You need to be patient with everything. And yes, we have a section in members area where we are giving all the tutorials, where you can see how exactly you can configure things, you can how you can do things, you can manage settings, menus, footer settings, and anything. And we have a text documentation as well over here in the members area, which can guide you how you can easily customize everything over on the moto theme. So thanks once again guys for buying moto theme, and thank you so much.